Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will discuss about programming languages that are used in bioinformatics. Bioinformatics totally depends on computer science. Whatever developments that take place in computer science are used thoroughly and immediately in bioinformatics. Actually, bioinformatics is originated because of computer science. Whatever computer languages that are used for programming in computer science are also used in bioinformatics. Coming to the programming languages. Languages are media for communication. There are different types of languages. We have spoken languages, we have code languages, we have biological languages, we have electronic languages, so many types of languages. Genetic code is one of the most efficient, oldest and simplest forms of the language. It uses only 4 letters. There are only 64 words, but it can explain each and every biological activity that is there in each and every living organism. That is why it is most efficient languages that are there in the world. Coming to the computer programming languages, basically there are 2 types. They are low-level languages and high-level languages. Low-level languages are again of 2 types. One is called the machine language, the other one is called the code language, also called assembly language. Machine language is the only language that machine, that is the computer, can understand. It is written using binary system, a binary code, that is 0, 1. In the presence of electric pulse, it is 1. In the absence of electric pulse, it is 0. 0, 1, 0, 1. So a set of 4 such units, that is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, is called nibble. Each unit is called a bit. A set of 8 such bits is equal to a byte. So that is how you calculate the size of the data in terms of kilobytes, GB, TB, things like that. So that is what is the binary language. That is the machine language. That is the only language the computer understands. So if you want to feed something into the computer, if you want to give some instruction to the computer, it is only to the machine language that you can actually give the message or give the instruction. The another type of low-level language is also called assembly language. Assembly language is little more advanced than the machine language. Here we have some codes. The codes are 3 or 4 or 5 letter words, which may be sub for subtraction, add for addition, like that. So it is made up of some simple codes. So these are the 2 low-level languages. When you come to high-level languages, there are a number of types, like we have Fortran, we have Pascal, we have C++, we have BASIC. So varieties of languages are are the languages which are used for writing the program for developing a software, for developing an app or application. I think we are very familiar about the apps or applications. WhatsApp is an application. BLAST in bioinformatics is an application. Profunc is an application. These are all apps. These are also called tools in bioinformatics. So these tools are working or functioning because of a software. And the software is there because of programming. And the programming is done by using some kind of language. And this language may be BioJava, BioPerl, BioPython in bioinformatics. Similarly, it is Java, Perl, Fortran, Pascal, C++. These are the terms that are used in computer science. So these are all the high-level languages. We are in this class not going into the details of these languages. We are only having an introduction to the programming languages, and that is the focus of this class. In bioinformatics, there are 4 important programming languages that are widely used. They are BioPerl, BioJava, BioPython and BioRuby. Of these, 2 are very important. One is BioPerl. BioPerl is the language which is derived from Perl. Perl is a computer language which is widely used in computer science. BioPerl is the first language used in bioinformatics BioPerl is the first language that was used in bioinformatics. It was used first when Fred Sanger was doing sequencing work in his center. So when Sanger was doing human genome sequencing work in his center, he first used BioPerl. BioPerl also was used in Human Genome Project when Human Genome Project started in 1990. So BioPerl is the first language that was widely used in bioinformatics. Later, scientists started using BioJava. So till recently, BioJava was very popular. Only recently, people have started using BioPython. BioPython is a very simple language. The codes are not complicated. They can be written BioPython can be used by anyone. If you learn BioPython, the basics, anybody can write programs in BioPython. And it is having a wide variety of functions and wide variety of uses, wide variety of advantages. Hence, people have started now using BioPython. It's a very simple code and it is very efficient code, especially for writing programs for annotation, for PDB, for BLAST, for sequence alignment, for similarity sequence searches, for sequence similarity searches. For all these things, BioPython is a very widely used language in bioinformatics because it is very simple. The programming is it is not very complicated. The codes are very simple and it is widely used in. Thank you very much for watching my video on computer programming languages in bioinformatics. We will meet again in the next video with some other topic. Thank you very much.